Hi, today I'm with me Motorola Razr 40 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. To install iPhone keyboard, we should open the Play Store app and in the search bar we should enter the green Apple keyboard, name of the application. Now we should tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app, click Enabling Settings and near green Apple keyboard click on the switcher. Just tap twice to OK and go back. Click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard.
Cool Tech gifts under
Now the process is finished, so
Fitbit Versa 2.
let's just check the new device keyboard, and we could see that the look of the keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as the all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.